Of all your social media platforms where your friends and your followers are, Facebook is the best place to start. Those are the people who follow you for one reason or the other. The truth is, you don't own that list of followers. Facebook does. And another truth is, those followers maybe only see a small percentage of what you post because Facebook decides who sees your content, not you. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple ways to get more followers seeing your post, and then 2 ways on how to get those followers over to your very own list. Building your list is essential if you're building your business online. After all, it's what all the top leaders in the industry are doing. Just about any and every company will offer you a freebie or a discount for entering your name and email. Then they will send you promotions. Your email list that you own allows you to collect your viewers' information so you can follow up with them, you can share offers, let them know of upcoming promotions, sales, share testimonials, and so much more. This strategy helps you make sales, and it's one of my best money makers. So why is building your own list so important? Well, like I mentioned before, you want to own the list. No one can take it from you. What if something happens to your favorite social media platform? Remember about 6 months ago when Facebook went dark for about 5 or 6 hours? That got the attention of a whole lot of network marketers. So with that, the best way is to start building a list of names and emails, even phone numbers, to a list of your own. First, you want to build your followers on social. Then you want to get them to see more of your posts. So the first thing is how to get your followers seeing more of your posts. When you do make a post on social media, not everybody sees it. Maybe 5%, maybe 5% of your followers and your friends. It's challenging these days to obtain visibility in this busy world. So here's 5 ways. First, use images on every post. They stop the scroll. Include a picture of your cat. People love kittens and puppies and babies, and definitely include an image of you on your posts. That will stop the scroll. The second way is quote posts. I see a lot of quote posts, but for sure you want to make it your own. Take the quote. You want to honor who created it, but put your name on it too. People scroll social media to be inspired, entertained, see what their friends are up to, or learn something. So a quote post should do those things. Number 3, you want to give to get. Engage, like, and comment on your friends' posts. Give genuine compliments and comments. Now, number 4, you don't want to post more than 1 or 2 times the most per day. Anything more, Facebook won't allow people to see it. There's only so much real estate room on Facebook. And remember, lifestyle posts. You know, I like the 80-20 rule here as well. 80% is about you, and 20% is about your business. So now it's time to get those followers onto your list. And I call these curiosity posts. You have to have a way to move people from social over to your list that you own. I have 2 ways to do this. Now, most people take 7 to 11 exposures to something before they buy it. And with that said, you want to spread it out a little bit. You want to post on Facebook's Reels and Stories, Instagram's Reels and Stories, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, or just pick 2 or 3 of these. You don't want to have tons of posts on your Facebook. Because most don't want to be on another email list, I gave away a training that I took, and I used it then and offered it on my Facebook profile. Here's an idea that attracted almost 100 brand new leads right from my Facebook profile. You have to give them some value. Two ways that you can start to transition your friends on social over to your list is you can write up an article that helps your ideal client with a problem that they want to solve. You can create the article like in a PDF format and then promote it. But you don't want to spend all day doing that. Maybe 20% of your time to create it, but 80% of your time promoting it. So offer a free gift. So offering a free gift is the first one. It's a great way to provide an incentive for your prospects to subscribe to your list. These gifts are sometimes referred to as lead magnets or freebies. Your gift has to be juicy enough to entice your prospects into providing you with their information. One way of achieving this is to identify the people's pain points and speak to their problem that your prospects are facing. So if your gift solves a problem for them or addresses an issue of their concern, your prospect will see the value in it and will willingly subscribe to your list. The second way is blogging, either with a website or your Facebook page or a group that you can invite them to. Blogging is a great way of producing relevant and helpful content that your prospects can subscribe to. And if you're watching this video, you may be already on my blog, debbiehalbertblog.com. So if you want to get started with your list, I have a freebie on how you can get started, and it's called Simple List Leverage. It's a 5-part video. The first part is it'll help you to set up your list quick and easy so you can start getting the leads to your business fast. Second, you will create your first email letter and get leads to fall in love with you. The third is you build your list today, a hot market list for your specific business and affiliate programs. 4, you want to turbocharge that list, and it includes done-for-you offers and giveaways for quick cash and ultimate leverage. And number 5 is there's some free email copy or write it yourself. Both work great at getting sales and signups for your company. So I hope this video inspires you to grow your own list, your very own list. If you received value, please like and comment below and subscribe to this channel because every week I share how to grow your online marketing business. Thanks for watching.